Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam controller bindings not saving using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken layout saves on your current setup session so your button choices stay perfectly memorized inside your game profile. Step 1. Open your master settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor view screen, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your layout storage path at the root level before your game attempts to lock down your button maps. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep running into a wall every time it tries to write your custom button changes onto your hard drive space. Step 2. Turn off your cloud storage sync switch so it stops overwriting your local computer files with old data. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar, click on the row that says Cloud, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the toggle switch that says Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization, and click it once to turn it off. Verify that the option switch goes dark or gray, confirming that your live network sync rule is now asleep inside the computer memory card. Because when this sync feature is turned on, the software engine will constantly download your old profile files from the internet servers. If those server files are locked up, they will instantly overwrite any new button changes you make on your physical machine. Turning this off creates a simple local data path so your computer saves your layout changes directly to your local file cards without interference. Step 3. Run your software application in administrative mode. Now you need to close out your options, go to your main desktop screen, and open your main software launcher using special administrative permissions to bypass folder write restrictions. Close your main application window, move your mouse cursor over to your software icon on your desktop screen, click your right mouse button once, slide down the Options menu, and select the row that says Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the security pop-up box that appears flat against your background view, allowing the system to launch with full file permissions. Because your operating system often creates a protective barrier around your main software files to keep them safe. If your game software doesn't have explicit permission to modify files inside those locked folders, it will fail to save your new layout text document. Running the tool as an administrator gives the game program total freedom to write and update your profile settings layout permanently. And that's it. To fix Steam controller bindings not saving, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the Cloud row and turn off the synchronization switch on your screen canvas rows. Next, you close your apps and right-click your software icon to run it as an administrator to clear folder restrictions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.